NFT, or non-fungible token, is more like your own possession which you can't touch or hold, but can rightfully possess it. Nowadays, people are into buying and selling artistic works, digital art, musical videos, beats, and tweets and memes which are registered as an NFT. But have you ever thought about how each NFT costs? Let us see the list of top 10 most expensive NFT arts so far. Number 10. Hash Masks number 6718, $603,000. You know what they say, when the collection is right, then there is absolutely no limit in the NFT world. People are always ready to spend billions without even thinking twice, but all you have to do is keep your collection real good and extremely honest. According to the official website of Hashmask, it is a series of digital art which contains art from all over the world drawn by over 70 artists, that too from the entire globe. If we sit to count all of the individual paintings from the collection, then it would sum up to be exactly 16,384. All of the portraits in this gigantic collection is worth $100 million in themselves. That is the reason why the more and more individual paintings are sold, the entire Hashmask collection is beneficiated. The painting numbered 6,718 absolutely did wonders. Number 9. Genesis, $558,000. It is one of the most fascinating form of moving digital art, which is a part of the infamous Batman PNG files. This was a partnership between Trevor Jones and Jose Delbo. In the PNG file, there were 4 other art pieces apart from the Genesis. The painting was released in the latter half of 2020, even before when the NFT buying and selling frenzy took off. The painting starts with a pencil sketch portrait of Batman and then progress forward into revealing a masterpiece of art. The painting got sold in the early 2021, and that too for $558,000. Number 8. Hashmask 9939, $840,000. As it is not unknown that each individual painting of the Hashmask series is way more worthy than what it seems like. The number 9939 features a demon mask along with a halo. Just like the other ones from this series, the 9939's potential was beyond imagination until it was put to sell, when it was sold for a whopping amount of $840,000. Even the artist of the painting was shook. Whenever these NFT arts are sold, the owner has the complete right to change the title of the paintings which he or she buys. Just like that, the owner of this painting titled this masterpiece of art as just Sex. But it will eventually change when someone else bids a higher amount. Number 7. Jack Dorsey's first tweet, $2.9 million. No, we're not kidding. Almost $3 million for a tweet? Well, when it comes to NFT, we did mention that if it's worth it, then it sure touches the sky. The same happened when the first tweet by CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, was put to sale. It was posted in 2006 and it consisted of only 24 characters. More specifically, the tweet said, "Just setting up my Twitter." This bid came from a blockchain owner of the Asian market. In an interview, the buyer said that he did not just buy a tweet, rather he bought a historical piece of art whose value will be known not now but years later, just like the Mona Lisa painting. On the other hand, the CEO of Twitter, when he received the amount, simply donated the money to nonprofit organizations. What an amazing person. Number 6. Earth and Mars, $5.18 million. Not many of the people know this, but Grimes is one of the very few artists who started selling her albums and other pieces of arts as NFTs. A total of thousands of copies were made, and each of them was stocked at $7,500. Well, you must be wondering that what specialty does this painting hold? Well, these were 2 short videos named Earth and Mars and a heavenly aesthetic to them. Her entire music video was released into the NFT market in several short video format, out of which the Earth and the Mars were the ones breaking records. Both of these pieces of digital art combined together to sum up to $5.18 million. 5. Cryptopunks, $5.2 million. Just like Hashmasks, Cryptopunk is another series of collection of digital arts. The series features the character of Cryptopunk, more specifically an 8-bit design which looks like it straight came out from a video game. The Cryptopunk can be seen in different attires and styles. The look of the characters are extremely simple when you know that these little creatures are worth selling themselves for over 1 million each. The collection of the series, numbered as 6965, 4156, 2890, and 6487, are the real deal of the series. These 4 digital art together combine to be approximately around $5.2 million. As of now, about 10,000 Cryptopunks digital art are said to be present in the series. Number 4. Crossroads, $6.6 million. It all started in a nifty game way when this piece of art made history. Even if we say that nifty games are the major reason for the hike in sales of NFT Arts, then it wouldn't be wrong. Crossroads was sold for this humongous amount of $6.6 million, and at that time it was the most expensive painting in the NFTs to exist. This masterpiece, as its name suggests, had its inspiration from Donald Trump and the antagonist, well as the protagonist of the painting, as per the 2020 U.S. elections. It shows the darker side of the American politics. Number 3. NBA Top Shot, $9.5 million. NBA is one of the most beloved sports around the world. This fact doesn't change for the NFT sites as well. NBA is one of the leading sought-after brand name as soon as you try to explore the market. The valuable belongings, unique and historic items, as well as the other sports-related goodies of the actual NBA sport has defeated all of the masterpieces of arts just in a blink. All the items, which are sold altogether, sums up to a whooping amount of $9.5 million, and it just keeps on increasing. Number 2. Cryptopunks, $7.6 million. As we already said that there are over 10,000 characters in the Cryptopunk series which are available in the nifty games. But the striking feature is out of all of the professions, the aliens are the most rarest ones. Out of 10,000, only 9 of the art pieces belong to the aliens. But you would be shocked to know that these 9 aliens have done massive business in the meanest amount of time. The Cryptopunks number 3100 and 7400 are tied for being sold for $7.6 million per piece. It acquires the number 2 spot because the former were 4 pieces, adding collectively to that much of amount, but this individual piece is $7.6 million. Number 1. Everydays, the first 5,000 days, $69 million. Mike Winkelmann is the artist behind this masterpiece. Also, he is the owner of an extremely prestigious Guinness Book of World Record, too. His art piece, Everydays, the first 5,000 days, is the 3rd most expensive painting by any living artist or dead. Everybody mistake the NFTs to either be a money investing site or something in which you can hide your black money. But this is not what Mike Winkelmann feels. He sees the NFT as a bubble and even claimed that the digital artists are here to stay. So now you must have gotten the idea about this platform where the big buyers and creative sellers reside on. We hope you liked the video and got to know lots of interesting stuff and new experiences. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more such contents and watch another video from Luxury Bay. After all, it doesn't take any NFTs, right?